Hello, beautiful. I hope you're doing well. Lately, I've been speaking to many women who are quietly running on empty. And they're all strong and capable and responsible, and they're holding everything together, but their body just constantly running on overdrive. They exhausted at the end of the day, they go to bed and they cannot fall asleep, or they wake up 2, 3 hours after they fall asleep and they can't fall asleep until the morning. So their mind is still solving all the problems in the world. Their nervous system does not know how to shut down, and they worried about everything and everyone. And over time, it um, the subtle shift happens when we accumulate all the stress in our body. Like we kind of forgot who we are, and we forgot about enjoying simple things in life, or forgot how to be playful. And sometimes we are so consumed by life, we just stop noticing aches and pains in our body, and we only feel that when we go to bed, and that's when we feel heavy and exhausted. If it sounds familiar, there is nothing wrong with you. Your body is not failing you. It's just simply running on the alert for too long. That's why I created something near and dear to my heart, the 7 days reset program for women who feels that way. And it calls Reignite Your Energy and Joy. And it's not to add another thing to your to-do list, or another thing to manage, but to um, slow down, to calm your nervous system, to retrain your body how to feel safe, and how to reconnect with your senses, with your natural rhythms. So it is free, and you can start it from starting February 17. You can sign up anytime. For 7 days, I will send you an email, new email, where you will receive a very short, not more than 10 minutes meditation, and also daily ritual, and some simple steps for how to ground yourself, how to calm yourself, reconnect with your breath, with your heart. And so sign up on the link below, try it, and I'm very excited for this program. And it's been my baby. This is something like for you to try maybe before you want to work deeper with me on coaching or energy healing, but get familiar with who I am and how to work with me. So yes, I'm very excited to walk this journey with you.